Thank. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Hatation, Haotian, Zoa. This is ticket SX 424923991. This is one count, limited access speed, 1 to 10 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Judge Taylor. Attorney Paul Spaniel, LP 72366 on behalf of the defendant in this matter.
All right. And I also do see that we have Trooper Barrier here. Can you state your name for the record, sir?
Yes, good morning, Judge. Trooper Byer, Michigan State Police, badge 1609.
All right. Today's the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. However, I've been informed that we are going to adjourn it for a defensive driver's class, and then that your counsel will come, your client will come back and hopefully at that point in time, be able to present evidence of that and get a better offer, I'm imagining, or possibly a better offer.
Well, the offer has been agreed on right now. It's going to be a blockading. I think I failed to mention that off the record, but yes, it's my intent to provide evidence of the participation in the class.
Okay. Defensive driving class, let me write that down. Class will get blockaded. All right, I'm gonna give, unfortunately, my next dates are a little further out. So you can either have October 2nd or October the 18th for the formal hearing. Does either one of those work better with your schedule?
Trooper, either one work better for you? If you need to, I mean, I'm fine with either one.
Nope, either one works.
Okay, let's do October the 2nd then. October the 2nd. Okay. For the formal hearing, that's gonna be at 9 a.m. for both of you, so not quite as early, at 9 a.m. And just bring that proof, and then at that point in time, we'll be able to move forward, okay?
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Trooper. Have a good day, both of you.
Thank you.
Y'all have a great day. Thank you.
Stay safe.
You too. Oh, that's the trooper. Yeah, trooper, stay safe. All right, Attorney McCarty and Robert Zakor, please unmute yourself and turn on your camera for me, Mr. Zakor. There we go. All right, unmute yourself too, sir. All right.
Okay.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Robert Lawrence Zakor. This is U ticket 655-50723. This is one count urinating in public. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jeff McCarty, P 42633. I appear with and on behalf of Mr. Robert Zakor via Zoom without objection.
All right, Mr. Zakor, state your name for the record, please.
Robert Lawrence Zakor.
Thank you. Counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, I understand there's been a motion made by the city corporation council, that is, that upon payment of costs, this matter would be dismissed, and we would concur in that relief.
All right, if you want to take advantage of that, Mr. Zakor, raise your right hand for me, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to your attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to take your attention back to the date looks like on or about July 1st of 2023. Were you in the area of Palmer Park? That's 910 Merrill Street in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
And while you were there, did you use the bathroom in public, sir?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Defense is satisfied, Judge.
All right, and the court is satisfied as well, and will enter a plea to one count urinating in public. All right.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I know you got the dog. It's okay. Just listen for a minute while the dog's barking, okay? All right. So what's happening is that, Mr. Zakor, upon payment, this case will be dismissed. My fine, why would you do this? You were over here for the golf tournament and you decided that you couldn't wait to find a restroom.
Judge, that's not quite the case. Let me silence this. He was at the Rocket Mortgage Classic and there was a rain delay and they made all the patrons leave the premises and literally like locked them out, as it were, for over an hour and a matter of couple hours. And there was, for lack of a better
It's bathrooms in
no
Palmer
place to
Park.
go.
No, it's
Pardon?
bathrooms in Palmer Park.
Well, it's a bit of a distance between the Detroit Golf Club and Palmer Park, but Judge, there's still, I mean, it doesn't excuse his behavior. I'm just trying to explain why he did what he did, and it's certainly out of character for him, and he's learned an expensive and valuable lesson, and I'd like to think this would not recur. It was a perfect storm of events.
Okay, all right. We gotta make sure that we don't do this, especially when it's all those people out. There's kids out for this, families are coming down here. And we as the city of Detroit, we like to host things, but then we always get the bad rep. But this is what the city looks like. This is what people are out here doing. That's why we don't want to have people in the city. So you just gotta watch yourself when you do stuff like that. My fine is $250, sir. I usually do community service, but since y'all have agreed upon a payment instead, then that's the fine. How long will that take you to pay? And then I'll dismiss it upon payment. So let me know how long it'll take you to pay.
I can pay that immediately.
Okay, so I'll put it down for 14 days. So 8, 22, 23. If it's paid, this matter will be dismissed, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, no
Thank you,
problem. All
Judge.
right. Okay, you're welcome. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Thank
As
you.
well.
You're
Take
welcome.
your
All right,
staff.
bye-bye.
Taylor Wade,
Hi.
is there a reason? Is
I'm sorry.
there a reason that you left Zoom?
No, I went to call to make sure that I was not kicked off of the live. And then when I hung up from the phone call, it dropped the call. So I hurried up and joined back.
Okay, have you spoken with an attorney?
One more time.
Have you spoken with the attorney yet?
I
She
did.
She just gotta go back to the waiting room.
So she was in the waiting room. Okay.
Yeah.
So Ms. Wade, just sit tight. Don't touch anything. Don't answer any calls. Don't make any calls. And the judge is going to hear your case shortly.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you answer a call, it'll kick you off Zoom. Or Anthony, Charles Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, sir. You were here earlier.
Hello. Excuse me?
Are you the gentleman who signed off to go find somewhere to park?
Yes.
Okay. I have you checked in, Mr. Williams. I'm going to put you in a breakout room
Okay, thank you.
case.
Sandy,
Yes.
LaShonda Young, she's in the waiting room. Was she supposed to be in the breakout room to speak with Attorney Boston?
You know what? I think she left and came back, and that's why she's in the waiting room. I had to let her back in. Yeah, she was here earlier, but she left and came back. I'm going to let her in one moment as soon as I put Mr. Williams in the breakout room. Okay, you're going to go to breakout room number 33, Mr. Williams.
Okay.
Okay.
And y'all come get me when my case is ready?
You said, I'm sorry, say that again. What did you say, Mr. Williams? Oh, Mr. Williams, no, you were. Did I sign you? Yeah, no, press the, okay, great. All right, now I'm on the Young in. LaShonda Young. The person who's on the device titled iPhone, what's your name?
Corey Wright. I was in the meeting with the attorney, but my phone died.
Okay, do you remember which breakout room you were in?
It was breakout. I think it was 28.
Okay, one moment. I'm sorry, what's your name again, sir?
Corey Wright.
One more time. One more time. What's your name, sir?
Corey Wright.
Corey Wright. Okay, thank you. And the breakout room that you were in again.
I think it was breakout room 28.
Okay. LaShonda Young. Yeah, this is the one who took all morning trying to get her audio on. I don't know why these people keep leaving. Heaven Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, why did you leave Zoom?
Oh, because my phone got hot. These iPhones, they get hot and they shut down.
Okay. Do you remember which breakout room you were in?
Yes, ma'am, 22.
Okay, I'm gonna put you back in 22.
Thank you.
LaShonda Young. Rashay Warren.
I got kicked out, had to come back on.
Okay, well, did you answer a phone call?
No, I tried to decline the phone call and it kicked me out.
Okay, don't touch anything on your phone because if you touch, that was the same as really accepting it when you declined it. Just let it ring until it stops.
Okay.
It won't kick you out. Okay, do you remember which breakout room you were in?
19, but we were done. I was waiting on see the judge again.
Okay, I'll put you back in the waiting room then.
All right.
LaShonda Young. Judge, I'm gonna step away from the computer for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Walls never showed up.
Okay,
I thought I left that.
okay, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too, officer. Be safe, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, thank you.
Forgive the interruption. House Counsel is prepared on just about everybody.
All righty. All right. We'll bring in Darnell Williams first. Darnell Williams. Darnell Williams. Sir, can you take your hat off for me, please?
I'm here.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Darnell Deshaun Williams. This is ticket SX 4191138. Count 1, motor vehicle operation without security. Count 2, regular plate, no valid plate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, Mr. Williams, state your name, please.
Darnell Williams.
Judge, the defendant has shown me compliance documents. Actually, I didn't see those. Those should be in the file. He said he forwarded those after his last court date, according to the instructions on his notice of hearing. So I haven't seen these documents. I do believe they exist. If you need to see them, he can produce them now.
Who did you forward them to, sir?
The email that Taylor on the back of the card, where it says send your documents in.
On the back of the card.
Hold on 1 second, I can tell you exactly. 1 second.
Oh, just did it to the general the general email. Yeah, it's like the general email.
Yeah, I thought I had to send it to that before the hearing, so that's why I sent it in before my last hearing.
It's the general email address.
So, is that the courtroom 437?
It may be just a general email address to. Yeah.
Mr. Williams, I just chatted. I just sent a chat to you with my email address. Is it possible that you could resend those documents? And I'm sorry, Your Honor. Should have taken care of
It's
that.
okay.
1 second.
And then once I get them, I will ask that the case would be recalled.
Okay. I'll put you on mute, Mr. Williams. Joshua Walker. Joshua Walker.
Yes.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Joshua Allen Walker. This is ticket SP 1436761, expired plate. Ticket number SP 1436761, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Joshua Walker.
That's you, Mr. Walker.
Joshua Walker.
Thank you. Judge, I did see Mr. Walker's documents. His insurance is valid until February 7th of 2024, and his plates are valid until January 24th of next year, January 25th. Based on his compliance, I'm asking the court to dismiss these cases and stipulating the probable cause for the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, this time being an officer of the court having invalid documentation, the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Walker, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You can log off, okay, Mr. Walker?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Marcus Williams, you're not driving, are you? You can't drive, pull over. Okay, all right, I see you still. Now calling the matter of the people versus Marcus Juan Williams. This is ticket SP 134320031. Improper plates. Count 2 of that ticket is drove while license revoked. Count 3 is no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 1351045. Driving while license suspended. And we have ticket number SP 1315530. Count 1, drove while license revoked. Count 2, drive uninsured, untitled motor vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. He has a default ticket with that for tinted windows. Ticket SP 1315535. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Marquise Williams.
Judge, we're here for a show cause. Please enter a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes for the defendant. On his behalf, I will waive any more formal reading of the information, complaint, and or warrant. As to the default, I'm asking if you would set aside that default and allow it to accompany the instant cases to pretrial for a global resolution, please.
All right, at this time, the court is going to set aside any show causes that are out there. Any warrants will be set aside. Pleas of not guilty will be entered in. Sir, I'll see you back for a pretrial on the day of October 2nd. October 2nd, okay?
Yes.
All right, if there's nothing further, bond will be set at $0 personal in these matters, okay? October 2nd at 8:30 a.m. Okay?
Yes.
All right, you're all set, okay?
Hey, see you October 2nd.
Okay, thank you. Tamika Williams.
Yes.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Tamika Williams. This is ticket number 399809. Count 1, no insurance. Count 2, no operator's license in possession. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1001890. Count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1016597. Count 1, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1139228. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 124233. Count one, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1314931. Count one, drove while license suspended, repeat offender. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Count three, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1316648. Count one, improper plates. Count two, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1317239, drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1348041, drove while license suspended. Count one. Count two, expired plates. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number SP 977028. Count one, drove while license not valid or improper. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Madam, state your name for the record, please.
Jamaica Williams.
Thank you. Judge, we're here for an arraignment. We will waive any more formal reading of the information, complaint, and or warrants. And asking specifically that the matter be set for a pretrial. The defendant and I had an opportunity to speak, and she has some direction as to what she needs to do in order to come back prepared for a resolution.
All right. Now I'm gonna have you come back on the date of October 2nd, at 8:30 a.m. Bond, did you have to pay any bond money on any of these tickets?
Yes.
Okay, bond will stay in place for those tickets. If it's the ticket that doesn't have any bond, I'll set it at $0 personal. All right, Ms. Williams, you're set. I'll see you October 2nd. October 2nd at 8:30 a.m., okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Jamil Williams?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Jamel Shantanese Williams. This is ticket SP 1373389, count one, disregard traffic control device. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. State your name, please, ma'am.
Jamel Shanice Williams.
So I think we're here for a show cause, Your Honor, and we're asking that a not guilty plea be entered on behalf of the defendant for arraignment purposes and the matter set for pretrial, please. We waive any formal reading of the information.
Thank you. At this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ma'am, I'll set this for a pretrial on the date of October 2nd. October 2nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bobby Williams?
Yes, ma'am. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Now calling the matter of People versus Bobby Williams. This is U ticket 663331523. This is one count offered to engage another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Boffman for the defendant. Would you state your name, please, sir?
Bobby Williams.
Judge, the defendant is continuing a not guilty plea. He's asking for a jury trial date, Your Honor, and appropriately, I would ask that MIDC appoint counsel for this defendant.
Judge, can
So you can't afford counsel?
Judge, I didn't understand the last part of what you said, Mr. Boffman.
I'm asking that the MIDC appoint counsel for this defendant.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Williams, did you hear the question?
No, sir. I just want to request for evidentiary hearing. That's it. Request for evidentiary hearing to see what everything that's all the evidence that's gathered for me. I would like the officer to have a body cam as they evidence to be able to show.
Okay, Mr. Williams. But
This is not a felony matter. This is a misdemeanor matter. Okay? So
Yes,
what we
ma'am.
have is bench trials, right?
Yeah.
And
You-
can
you
you
say-
retain counsel?
You say bench trial.
Jury trial or bench trial? Are you able to afford to retain counsel?
So I'm asking the court to appoint one to our
Okay.
April 24 one. Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Give me a pen. Give me a pen. Got a pen?
Right. So I'll have you come back on September the 1st so we can have counsel appointed. I need you to call the courtroom though, so we can get some information from you so that we can have counsel appointed. Are you ready to take down the phone number?
Yes, hold on. Yes, ma'am. I can take it down. Give me that. Give me that pen. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
And are you smoking in court? Really?
Who, me?
Couldn't wait till the matter finished to put, you couldn't put the thing out for a moment?
I'm sorry.
313
313
965
565
2293.
2293. All right. Do I call?
Now, call today. Call today.
Okay. All right.
I'll see you right down the date of September 1st. That's the day I'm gonna have you come back just to make sure we have counsel in place and so that your counsel can talk to you about how y'all want to move forward, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's nothing further. You're all set, sir, okay?
All right. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Judge, would you allow him to please repeat the phone number that he wrote down? I thought I heard him say 565 instead of 965.
Oh, 565. Yeah. 5
No, it's 965.
965. 965. All right. All right. 965 2293.
Yep.
All
Yes.
right. All right.
You're welcome. All right. Clifton Wideman.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Clifton Michael Wideman. This is ticket SP 1438835. Count 1, disregard signal red or amber. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, fail to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Clifton White.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant's going to waive any further hearings or trials. He's going to plead responsible according to the recommendation. On his behalf, I stipulate to the four corners of the face of the complaint for the purpose of the plea and to probable cause as to any matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended responsible charge of blockading on count 1. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Sir, with civil infractions, typically you have 14 days to complete them. Is that going to be enough time for you?
Say 14 days to do what now?
To pay for it. I'm sorry, not completed. To pay for it.
Oh, no, I'm gonna need like a little bit more time. I just started
much
working,
time?
so probably like 45 days or so.
All right. I'll give you until October 9th. October 9th to have it paid, okay?
How much is it?
$175. I'm sorry, $175.
I got to October 9th.
Yes, October 9th to pay that, $175, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay, good luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Anthony Wilson.
Yes.
All right, can you turn on your camera for me, please? Now calling the matter of the people versus Anthony Charles Wilson. This is ticket SP 1423404. Count one drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Anthony Wilson.
This matter is here for pretrial judge. The defendant wants a resolution here today. He is willing to plead guilty to the reduced charge of failing to display a valid driver's license. That's the recommendation.
All right, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand, Mr. Wilson.
Yeah.
Do you swear? Is your right hand raised? The other right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yeah.
That's Attorney Bachman. You spoke to him? You say yes, you spoke to him?
Yeah.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Huh?
Are you taking this guilty plea because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of March 16th of 2023. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Livernois and Linden Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving this vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, it was.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, thank you.
All right, and at this time, the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge of fail to display in this particular matter. Sir, my fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
Give me 60 days.
Okay. I can know that it's October 9th, 2023, okay?
All right.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, okay?
I have a question. Can I pay it online or do I have to like come in and pay it?
No, you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, no problem. You're all set, sir. You can sign off. Bertie Wilson?
Yes.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Bertie Romaro Wilson. This is ticket SP 1466240. One count open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, would you state your name, please?
Faraday Romero Wilson.
Mr. Wilson is going to waive his right to any further hearings. He's going to resolve this matter today. The recommendation is that he would plead guilty to open alcohol as a passenger. He understands that that will gain him 2 points on his driving record. He's going to waive rights this morning and plead guilty.
All right, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Correct.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right. All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of July 3rd of 2023. Were you in the area of Livernois and Tyreman Streets in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle, sir?
Yes,
And was there open alcohol in that motor vehicle, sir?
yes, it was.
Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will enter a plea to the amended charge, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Sir, my fine is $250. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Yeah. 30.
You were gonna say 60 originally. You want 60 days, Mr. Wilson, to make sure?
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, no problem. October the 2nd, 2023. I can see you struggling, but it's okay. I want you to be able to pay it, okay?
Okay.
$250 by October the 2nd, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck to you. Don't do that again, Mr. Wilson, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, have a good day, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right.
Court right?
Speaking.
Okay. Court right first. Mr. Williams, I'm gonna call you in a moment, okay?
Okay.
All right. Mr. Wright, can you take your hat off for me, please?
Sorry about
Thank
that.
you. It's okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Corey Andreas Ricardo Wright. This is ticket number 413893. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, unregistered untitled vehicle. Also calling ticket number SP 1466982. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Moffman, P 55052 for the defendant. Sir, please state your name.
Corey, right?
Your Honor, this is a matter for pretrial. The defendant is going to waive his right to any further hearing or trial. He's been advised and he's going to he's going to plead guilty to the reduced charge of failure to display a valid driver's license.
Okay. All right, sir, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to take your attention back to the date on or about June 15th of 2023. So were you in the area of Faust and West Auto Drive in the city of Detroit driving a Chevy vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
I am, thank you, Your Honor, and I stipulate to probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of failure to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long do you need, 30 or 60 days to pay that?
60.
All right, I'm making due no later than October 2nd, 2023. Sir, you have another hearing in front of me on, what is that, September 25th. Don't forget to come, okay?
Okay.
All right, September 25th, same thing, okay, sir?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right. See you.
All right, bye-bye, sir. Dante Williams?
Yes.
All right, now calling the matters of the people versus Dante Charles Williams. This is ticket SP 1473886. This is count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket number SP 1474243, count 1, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant, sir. Your name, please.
Deontay Williams.
Okay, so let me turn to the right. Okay, the defendant is going to waive his right to any further hearing. Today, he's going to plead guilty to the reduced charge of improper plate, Your Honor.
All right, sir. If that's the case, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a ditch or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, sir, I want to take your attention back to the day of July 1st of 2023. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Wyoming and Pico in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
Yes, I didn't have any at the time.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
I'm sorry.
He said,
Did he?
yes, he didn't have any on it at the
Oh,
time.
okay. Then, yeah, I'm satisfied. Thank you. I
He said
stipulate
kind of
probable
funny, but he said yes, he didn't have any. Is that correct, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
I'm satisfied and stipulate the probable cause for the matters that are being dismissed here. Thank you.
Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. I'm going to dismiss the remaining count, sir. My fine is $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60 days.
All right, I have it due no later than October 2nd. Okay, October 2nd is when that fine is due. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, you too.
I will. Thank you.
Your Honor, may I close the
Yes.
breakout rooms? There's like 9 people in there.
You can. Did you talk to everybody? Did you talk to
I
Miss
did.
Young who's on the screen?
I did
'Cause I
not.
know she. Okay, Miss Young's been having some audio issues. I don't know if she's gonna be able to hear us. Miss Young?
LaShonda, are you there? Can you hear me? Press unmute.
All right. Hello.
Stand by, please.
All right.
Mute your device, everyone. Yes, please.
I mute the microphones. Okay.
That's it, granddad. I guess so. Hello.
Everyone's in the courtroom now, so please just keep yourself on mute until I call your matter, okay? All right. Raquel Petford, I'm actually gonna call you, ma'am. Can you unmute yourself?
Hello.
Hello. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Raquel Whittier Petford. This is Pettyford, sorry. This is ticket SP 1290591. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Also calling ticket SP 1384852, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please. Ms. Pettiford.
Raquel Whitler Pettiford.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant has sent to my attention valid and current registration and insurance. I'm attesting to their her compliance as an officer of the court and asking that you would dismiss the instant cases without prejudice. The defendant's been advised.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss without prejudice the tickets for compliance now. Man, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle. On one of the tickets, you got a ticket in default that you need to pay though, okay?
I wanted to know if I could get on a payment plan.
You can, you just have to come down to the court, okay? It happened with the no insurance, I'm dismissing that ticket, but the other ticket is in default. It's accident failed to stop clear distance ahead.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You said I have to come to the court to set up a payment plan?
Yeah, you can come down to the court to set up a payment plan, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. David Weimer? Unmute yourself for me, sir. Unmute yourself. I'm gonna ask you, see it, he asking you to unmute yourself. You see it? Okay, there we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Lee Richard Weimer. This is ticket SX 4189133. One count, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
David Weimer.
Thank you, Judge. Mr. Weimer has displayed current and valid compliance documents. Would you dismiss these cases, please? As dip to probable cause.
Thank you. Now that he is in compliance with everything, I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Sir, make sure you always keep everything valid, up to date in your vehicle at all times, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
I will, thank you. Charles Anthony Williams.
Darling.
Okay. Hey, can you turn on your camera for me, please? You can sign off, Mr. Weimer. Hope you're not smoking in court, Mr. Weimer. All right, now calling the matter of people versus Charles Anthony Williams. This is ticket SP 1472423. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count three, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please. Mr. Williams.
Charles Anthony Williams.
Thank you. So the defendant has shown me compliance documents. Can we confirm that his driver's license is valid? I'm sorry, I didn't ask Madam Clerk to do that earlier, but for the record, I've seen his insurance and will not expire until October 20th of this year. And the registration is valid until March 16th of 2024, both to the same vehicle and in the defendant's name. If the court finds that he has a valid driver's license today, we're asking for a compliance dismissal and stipulating the probable cause here. Thank you.
Okay. right, it's valid. So at this time, the court is going to grant a request. I'm going to dismiss this matter. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice. Mr. Williams, your record is still printing out on my printer. You need to make sure you get this under control, please. Thank you, even though it's valid. You don't want all those things on your record.
You're right, Your Honor. The officer didn't even give me a chance to display for him.
That's why I'm dismissing it, okay? But you gotta make sure you keep all that off, okay?
Appreciate you. Yep.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay. Have a good day.
You too, thank you. Nigel Walker.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, now calling the matter, you can sign off, Mr. Williams. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nigel Walker. This is ticket SP 1408487. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper. Count 2, drive unregistered, untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Sir, please state your name. Mr. Walker. Thank you, sir. Judge, we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you.
All right, sir. Please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Boffman about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna set it for the date of October 18th. October 18th at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll see you then via Zoom. Bond set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, there's nothing further. You're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Yacon?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, now calling the matter of the people versus John Philip Yacon. This is ticket SP 1472353. Count 1, loitering. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Yoakum. State your name, please.
John Yoakum.
Thank you, Judge. Would you please set this matter for a trial date? The defendant's aware of his right to a jury trial. He's going to waive that here today and ask that be set for a bench trial by Zoom.
All right, sir, will you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And it's my understanding that you would like to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 18th, sir. October 18th at 9 a.m. It is via Zoom. So next time, I heard that you did come in, but you can stay at home next time and do it via Zoom, okay, sir?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, you cut out a little bit. Did you say that it would be over Zoom?
It will be over Zoom, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, and thank you for coming to court looking so nice today. The court appreciates it. Thank you so very much, okay?
Have a good day, Your Honor.
All right, you too. Thank you. I'll see you then. Bonds at $0.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
All right, you're welcome. Mr. Wakorzik? Kaiser? Kaiser?
Wyzorek,
Kaiser?
Wyzorek.
Riser, okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Matthew Weiser. This is ticket Z8089051, one count of operating while intoxicated. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, excuse me, state your name.
Matthew Wyzorek.
Judge, we're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please, and thank you. The defendant's been advised.
All right, will you please raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes,
It's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, sir?
yes,
All right, I'm gonna set this for the date of October 18th at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom. I'm gonna set your bond at $0. Sir, you cannot drive unless you have a valid license or if you have that temporary license that they give you. Okay, and no drinking right now until you get this matter taken care of, okay?
yes, Your Honor.
All right, if there's nothing further, I'll see you then. Thank you for having on a college shirt today, sir. All right, you can sign off. Messiah Wagner, Waddington,
Yes, ma'am.
now calling the matter of the people versus Messiah
DeLessie.
DeLessie, Wallington. This is ticket SP 1383030. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no proof of insurance is in default. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name, please.
Messiah Watlington.
Judge, we move to set aside any default here, and because the defendant is here for show cause, we will, for the purpose of arraignment, waive any more formal reading of the information and complaint, stand mute, and request a pretrial date, please and thank you.
All right, what does she need this pretrial date for? Because you don't know this attorney Bachman, but she's had pretrial since March.
Well, the defendant and I had a chance to talk. I believe that she can get her driver's license. She just didn't have any direction. So I had advised her what she needs to do between now and her next court date. And then when she comes back, she'll have the focus to resolve these matters. Hopefully she'll have a license. I looked it up.
Okay, all right, this is the last pretrial, ma'am. After this, you're gonna have to make some decisions, because that'll be like almost a year, okay? Okay, you gotta unmute yourself, Ms.
Okay.
One. Okay, I'll set it for October 2nd. October 2nd at 8:30 a.m. Bond will be set at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you.
I will, thank you. Evan Williams? Evan Williams? All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Evan Williams. This is ticket SP 1420147. Count 1, drove while unlicensed. Count 2, expired plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am? Ms. Williams, can you state your name?
We didn't hear you, ma'am. We can't hear you.
Do you have your Bluetooth on? Ms. Williams, can you hear us? We can't hear you. I can't hear you. No, you may have Bluetooth on your phone if you're connected to your phone, your speakers.
It's all right. Attorney Baldwin, you had the opportunity to talk to Ms.
I
Williams
did.
in the breakout room, and she was able to respond to you, correct?
She was, Your Honor, and this has been, I have encountered, it's not my first encounter with Ms. Williams. I think at the last court date, we discussed this matter.
All right.
She is
So at this
2/3
time,
of the way there, Judge. Would you please adjourn?
So at this time, the court's gonna adjourn her pretrial for compliance. I'm gonna adjourn it until October 2nd, ma'am. October 2nd at 8:30 a.m. Come back online, okay? All right, I see said, okay, thank you. So I'm believing that she hears us even though we can't see you. I thought that's what you said, okay, Ms. Williams? I'll see you then, okay? You're welcome. Have a good day, ma'am. Mr. Walker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Dante Walker. This is ticket SP 1440331. Count 1 failed to display valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket SP 1440336. Count 1 failed to signal. Count 2, tinted windows. Count 3, dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plate. Also calling ticket number SP. Yep, they're all in the same place. 1440340, no receipt for unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir. Please state your name.
Dante Walker.
Judge, there's only one question of fact, and that is to the failure to signal while leaving the curb. The defendant otherwise has compliance or valid documents. So would you set that matter for a waiver trial by Zoom, please?
I sure will. Make sure you keep everything up to date and valid so you can bring it to the trial date as well, okay?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Walker? Okay, I'm gonna set it for October 18th. October 18th at 9 a.m. It will be via Zoom, the same way you zoomed in. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 in all of these matters, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I'll see you October 18th, 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Linnea Williams.
Lanaya Williams.
Lanaya Williams, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lanaya Simone Williams. This is ticket SP 1440961. No operator's license on person. Ticket SP 1439871. 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. And ticket number 2, count number 2 on that last ticket is expired plates. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Harry Baughman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Lanaya Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. Judge, prosecutor and I agreed that the defendant would have an opportunity to complete the better driver's course. Can we have an adjourned pretrial date for that?
You can. I'm gonna set this matter for October 2nd, ma'am. October 2nd at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 person, okay? October 2nd.
October 2nd. Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay,
All right, have a good day.
you too.
I will, thank you. Michael West.
Yes, hello.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm good.
Now calling the matter of people versus Michael Lanice West. Micah Lanice West. This is ticket SP 35374. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, driver's license expired. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Would you state your name, ma'am?
Michael Lenis West.
Judge, the defendant's been advised we're asking for an adjourned pretrial. She's going to come back with the documents that she needs.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty. I'm going to set this for a pretrial on October 2nd. October 2nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Heard. Thank you.
All right. If that's
Have a good
nothing
one.
further, you're all set, okay?
Okay.
Vote Trey Younger. Latari Younger, maybe Latari.
I think that's
Hello?
Voltaire.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the mic on my camera on.
Okay.
Hey Mo, show me how to do this again.
See me asking you? Does it turn it off?
Hold on. I'm just they on me now. Show me how to. Hold up, my mom's in. Start video.
Okay.
All right. Oh,
Okay. Now
All
calling
right.
the matter. Hi.
how you doing? I had to get my
I'm
nephew
good,
to
thank
show
you.
me
I
the work
understand
you
this, and technology isn't everybody's friend sometimes, so I get it, okay?
did.
All right. Now calling the matter of People versus Votier Lamar Younger. This
Yes,
is ticket
ma'am.
S 475921. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, expired plates. Ticket number SP 1475934. Count 1, no valid registration certificate. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, Mr. Younger, state your name.
Walter Younger.
Does the defendant's going to plead guilty to failing to display a valid driver's license? The balance of the cases here will be dismissed according to the recommendation. Thank you.
All right, please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go ahead and put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a trial, bench, or jury in these matters? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm understanding all of this. Do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of July 2nd of 2023. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and St. Louis Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you never acquire a driver's license, sir?
I've just currently moved to Michigan. My license is suspended in Tennessee, and I'm currently paying on my license.
Okay, that's fair enough. Satisfied, counsel?
I am satisfied. Thank you.
All right, the court is satisfied as well. Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge, failed to display. The remaining counts will be dismissed. Well, welcome to Detroit, Mr. Younger. Welcome.
Thank you.
You gotta make sure you get your license together though, okay?
I'm working on it now. That's what my mom said.
All right.
She said, you ain't been there long and got a ticket.
I know. All right. So my fine is $200, sir. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
60.
All right. So I'll make it due no later than October the 9th. October the 9th is when it's due, okay?
All right.
All right. You can pay it online or come down to 36th District Court, okay?
Okay.
All right. So you can do
Thank
either
you.
one, okay, sir? You're welcome. All right. You're all set.
Yeah, I know the job.
All right. There you go. Mr. Williams, were you able to send those documents over to council?
Yes, I think I sent, I'm pretty sure I sent them over. I don't know if I did it right, but I think I did.
We check it.
Okay.
Cause she screenshotted the messages that she sent it and the day that she sent it. I'm not too good with the email. Computer
It's all right, Mr. Williams. That's why you got some help prior.
thing.
I understand.
I have not received those.
All right. Mr. Williams, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take your word at it. Can you call the court after you finish, just to send us a copy? We'll give you the email address so you can send us and forward us a copy.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Recalling the matter of the people versus Daniel Williams. Nope, Darnell Williams. I'm so sorry. Darnell Williams. This was case number SX 419-1138, counts 1 and 2. We stopped for a minute so that he could show us the compliance document. Counsel, would you state your appearance once again for the record?
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name.
Darnell Williams.
Thank you, Judge. As you wish.
Mr. Williams has said to the court that he sent it on the back of the ticket to the email address. I know that email address is one for the general court. Sometimes we don't always get it. And I believe, Mr. Williams, I can see you. Take your hat off.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
All right, stop moving for 2 seconds, okay?
Okay.
So
I'm sorry.
court is gonna believe that he did send in these documentations. I need you to call the court though, 313-965.
1 second, please.
965.
It said 313
Uh-huh.
965.
2293. Just so I can sure we get those documents, okay? I'm gonna dismiss it without prejudice today though, Mr. Williams. Thank you for coming into
Yes.
compliance.
Okay, I had those sent right over to you.
Thank you very much. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set.
Thanks, Mom.
All right, you're welcome. Jacob Williams. Jacob Williams.
Yes.
All right, turn on your camera for me.
Give me, is it on now?
I can see you. Now calling the matter of the people versus
Okay.
Jacob Williams. I see you, sir. This is ticket 759617. 1 count open intoxicant in a motor vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Jacob Williams.
We're asking for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right, sir, if you could please raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Bachman about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And it's my understanding you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, Mr. Williams?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set it for the date of October 18th. October
Okay.
18th at 9 a.m. Write that down via Zoom. Same way you Zoom doing today. October 18th, 9 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Williams. Thank you for your patience this morning.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Thank you, Mr. Williams. Taylor Wade. Ms. Wade, unmute yourself for me. All right.
Hi.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Taylor Marie Latrice Wade. This is ticket SP 1437899. Count 1, disregard red flasher or arrow. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name.
My name is Taylor Wade.
This is a pretrial, Judge. We ask for a waiver trial date by Zoom, please.
All right, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
I did.
Anyone, and it's my understanding that you want to have a waiver trial. That's a trial before me as the trier and finder of facts. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm talking to my clerk. One second.
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay, Ms. Wade. You're trying to make sure you understand everything. Yeah. October 20th, okay? October 20th at 9 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set this way.
Alrighty. I'm sorry. Can I ask, do you know about how much those tickets will be? Or when I will pay those?
Well, when we get there, we'll get there, okay? Because sometimes they'll end up reducing them. And so one may be a civil infraction. Usually my fine for non-drinking related tickets is $200 though, just to give you a thing. So, but we'll see on the day of the trial and we'll see what they can work out, okay?
Okay. All right.
Okay,
Thank you.
You say try and get you a no point ticket if it's your first time this way, and I can tell it is, okay? So usually they're gonna try and do something for you, okay? So just come back to the trial date, okay?
I appreciate it.
No problem. All right, Ms. Wade, good luck to you, okay? I'll see you for your trial, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right,
Bye.
no problem. All right, bye-bye. Patricia Watson? Ms. Watson? Unmute yourself for me, okay?
There you go.
There you go. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Patricia Ann Watson. This is ticket SP 1389 668. Count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, would you state your name?
Patricia Watson.
Thank you, ma'am. The defendant's waiving any rights to any further hearing. She wants to resolve this today by
Yes.
All
pleading
right,
guilty
ma'am.
to allowing the recommendations
Yes.
for a 90-day delay sentence.
All right. Ma'am, if you want to take advantage of that, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, ma'am. Did you talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes. Yes. You talk to the attorney.
Anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No. No.
All right, now whoever is helping her, I know you're trying to help her, but I can hear you talking. And so if she needs assistance, I need to know. Does she need some type of assistance?
Yes, you do. She's hard of hearing, so you have to speak slow and loud. I'm loud to her. I'm her daughter. So when
Okay, what's your name for the record?
My name is India Wagner Woods.
Okay, I'll speak louder because when you're answering for her, it seems like you're making the decision instead of her, okay?
Okay, I just have to repeat what you say to her for her to understand it.
That's fine. I just heard you say yes. So
Okay.
she said yes, okay? All right.
Okay.
Did anyone threaten, force, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
No.
You aren't guilty?
Just say, answer, are you guilty?
Yes, I'm guilty.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench trial or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. I'm going to take you back to the date of March 6th of this year, 2023. Did you own a Ford vehicle, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you allow someone who did not have a license to drive that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and counsel, will you stipulate that it was in Grand River, Biltmore area in Detroit, Biltmore area in the city of Detroit?
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I'm satisfied thereby with the factual basis. I'm also stipulating the probable cause as to the matters being dismissed here. Thank you.
All right, so at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. The remaining count will be dismissed. Who did you let drive your car, ma'am?
My granddaughter.
Why you let your granddaughter drive your car?
Well, I was sick and I needed to go off and she taken me.
Okay, you were in the car with her?
Yes.
All right. All right. So I'm not going to charge you a fine. You just have to come back in 3 months with no new tickets and I'll dismiss this case, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. No more letting people drive who cannot drive with the license, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'll see you back for a review on the date of November 8th, just to make sure you didn't get any new tickets, okay?
Okay.
All right, no new tickets, I'll dismiss this, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, you're all set, you can log off. Thank you, daughter.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for letting me help.
Oh, absolutely, I just have to know why people are talking, that's why, so I can't have, you just talking for no reason, okay?
Right, thank you so much.
All right, have a good day, I'll see you.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bridget Warren.
Brochet, how you doing?
Brochet, thank you. Can you turn on your camera for me? I'm good.
What's on?
Okay, I see. Now, calling the matters of the people versus Brochet, Denisha Warren. This is ticket number SP 1429918. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. She also had with that ticket and went into default, but ticket SP 1429926. 1 count of dirty, obscure, improperly displayed plates. She has in warrant status some tickets, and I don't know if you knew that, Attorney Kaufman. She has warrant ticket SP 1067201. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Ticket SP 1067202. No insurance misdemeanor. And she has some upcoming dates with me on August the 18th. She has 3 counts. Ticket SP 1478581. No proof of insurance. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Baughman, on behalf of the defendant. Ms. Warren, please state your name.
Brochet Warren.
Thank you. Your Honor, the defendant is here on the instant cases for a show cause. Please accept a not guilty plea for the purpose of arraignment here. She waives any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant. we do move to set aside that default in the interest of justice. And can she please come back for that August 18th date? And that way she can achieve a global resolution at that date and time.
Okay. Let me just look at my August 18th. I know it's not the greatest, but let me make sure it's not super. All right, I'm gonna put everything on August 18th, okay? So I pulled all your tickets, Ms. Warren, but we don't have a global resolution, and you don't wanna just keep pleading over and over again, okay?
Right, I understand.
Okay, so I'll see you August 18th on your next court date, and we'll take care of all the tickets at that time, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, I will move the tickets from default. I'll enter a bond of $0 on her behalf on these tickets. All right. All right.
Thank you.
If there's nothing, all right, Ms. Warren, I'll see you then, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Did Mr. Land say he was going to?
I don't know what he is.
Oh, there's Attorney Land.
Oh,
All right. Attorney Land, you ready on your matter?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. Michael Warner.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Good. Hello, how are you doing today?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Good, thank you. Now calling the matter of people versus Michael Clarence Warner. This is ticket SP 1441481. Count 1 drive on registered or untitled motor vehicle. Count 2 blockading, moving lane of traffic. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Michael Warner, who's present on the screen, Your Honor. We have no objection to holding this matter by Zoom. Thank you.
All right, and counsel, sir, can you state your name for the record? Mr. Warner?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
sorry. Michael Warner.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Your Honor, with this court's permission, I've discussed this matter with the city attorney, and she's agreed to dismiss all charges with this court's approval.
All right, at this point in time, if that is the agreement you have reached, the court will dismiss these matters without prejudice. All right, sir, make sure that you don't come back again and see me for these matters, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and thank you, Mr. Land, Attorney Land. I see you put over on the side of the freeway. Be careful, okay?
Yeah, I know. Nice seeing you,
Okay.
Your Honor. Always a pleasure. You and your
Good,
staff.
same here, same here. All right, have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Mr. Samson, what's your name? I think it's Mr. Watts. Are you Mr. Watts? You?
Yes.
Okay. I have to see this Watts. Okay. Pronounce your first name for me.
Kiwan.
Kiwan. I want to make sure I said it right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Kiwan Watts. This is ticket number SP 1318470. Failed to display a valid operator's license. He also has a show cause coming up. Ticket SP 1405718. Count 2, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman. For the defendant, sir, state your name.
Kiwan Watts.
Judge, the defendant will waive any more formal reading of any information in complaint or warrant and asks that a not guilty plea be entered on his behalf today, and the matters all be set for a pretrial.
All right. All right, he has 2 tickets that went into default.
Move to set aside those in the name of in the interest of justice. I'm sorry to interrupt.
It's okay. All right, so at this time, the court's gonna set these matters for a pretrial. I'm gonna remove those tickets and place them on my docket as well, sir. My pretrial date is October the 2nd, okay? October the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Okay.
All right, you got a question? What's the matter?
I'm sorry.
I said, you got a question? What's the matter?
Nothing.
Okay. All right, your bond is set at $0. I'll see you October the 2nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right, see you then, sir, okay?
Okay.
All right. You okay? You looking confused still. Do you have your stuff together or no? Feeling like you got a question. You got a question or no?
Are you speaking to me?
Yes, Mr. Watts. Cause
No.
you keep looking. Okay.
No, my phone is kind of broken, so it's like kind of hard to hear a little bit, but I was trying, yeah.
Okay.
And
It's
it's a little
okay.
bit.
I just want to make sure you didn't have a question or something. You're good.
No, will I be able to reinstate my license though? Because I had just got my license back, and then they sent me a letter saying that my license was suspended again.
It's suspended because you got that no proof of insurance, and the no proof of insurance usually does it every time.
Okay, I also have insurance as well. So I was trying to get the license back and everything so that I can drive.
Are your plates good too? Do you have your plates up to date?
Yes.
Why's your when did it get suspended, your license?
I'm not sure.
Does no proof of insurance have points, Attorney Baldwin?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
It
I think
doesn't
that's what
abstract either. Said I don't believe it abstracts either.
Yeah. I'm thinking that's what. I closed the door, or I did. It's from 2020. And then when did you get your license back? Do you remember, Mr.? When did you get your license back? You gotta unmute yourself.
I am unsure. It was a couple months ago.
Okay. It's because you didn't pay this. It looks like the no proof of insurance.
I don't know. I don't remember. These court dates are pushed so far back. I don't remember exactly what.
That's what it looks like, though. I'm imagining that's why. But the original court date, you must not have got the hearing for. Okay. All right. I can't give you any legal advice, but I feel like if you go to the Secretary of State's office and ask them what ticket is preventing you and pay that, you might get your license back. Okay?
Okay.
It's best to have. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in October, though. Don't forget to come back with everything still in compliance and see if you can get that license in compliance too, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. Takara Wooten?
Yes.
Now, can you turn on your camera for me, please? All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Takara Wooten. This is ticket 291754. One count, no proof, no valid proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good afternoon, or good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, Ms. Wooten, state your name.
Takara Wooten.
Thank you. Ms. Wooten is here for the purpose of trial. I do not believe it. There's a complaining witness that's checked in this case. It's a 2016 case. Moving to dismiss without prejudice, Your Honor, for no complaining witness.
All right, the time is now 11:55. No officer having showed up. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Young, can you hear us yet?
Yes.
Okay, all right, so Attorney Baughman, Ms. Young's ticket, just so you know, she has 2 on the docket, no insurance, and drove while license suspended. She also paid 2 civil infractions from the same instance, a no proof of insurance and a disregard signal, red or amber, just so you know.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, I'm calling the matter of the people versus LaShonda Young. This is ticket SP 1401643. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant, sir. Ma'am, excuse me. Ma'am, would you state your name? Ms. Young?
LaShonda Young.
Thank you. This is here for show cause, Judge. Please, for a purpose of arraignment, accept a not guilty plea from the defendant, and she waives any more formal reading of the information or complaint. I am asking the court to dismiss the instant cases for paid civil infractions. She paid some matters that were part of the same transaction or occurrence as the instant cases. And in fact, she not only paid fines in those cases, but took some points on her driving record. So would you dismiss these instant cases? I'd stipulate to probable cause for that. Thank you.
All right. Seeing that she has paid 2 civil infractions with these tickets, the court is going to grant her request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. Ms. Young, you struggled to get on, but you stayed on and stayed persistent today. I appreciate it. So I'm dismissing the 2 tickets that were on my docket, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. All right. It's because you already paid those other 2 tickets and you ended up getting a few points. So we're just gonna dismiss the ones from today, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Ms. Young, you're all set. I know it took a long time, but you're done.
I was scared too. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, don't be scared, Ms. Young. We took care of you. I know. We took care of you. So you all set, Ms. Young, okay?
Okay.
Oh, Ms. Young, it's okay. You're good. I know. We saw you trying to get on all morning. And then when you called your friend to try and help you, I said, we got to get her on. So we'll go ahead and dismiss those 2 tickets, okay? You're all set for today.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
You're welcome. Have a good day, okay?
Bye, Ms. Wooten. You can go too.
Yeah, you're all set, Ms. Wooten. I just missed. Unmute yourself though, so we can hear you. Ms. Wooten, you can log off, Ms. Young. You're set, okay?
Okay, yeah.
And would I be able to go ahead and get my license?
I mean, it was dismissed, so when we send an abstract over there saying it was dismissed, you should. Don't do it today, though. We need some time to put it into the computer system, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem. So give us 3 days, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and then you can go ahead and take care of that, okay? But you can make your appointment so that you'll be ready in a couple of days. You okay, Ms. Wooten?
Yes, I'm just happy I can finally go ahead and move on.
I know. It takes some time sometimes, but when we don't handle business back a long time ago, it's just gonna take a little bit of time, okay? So be patient though. We're gonna get it in the system and get it updated and you should be good, but you can make that appointment for like maybe beginning of next week, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, and that way you can be able to go in there and get your license back, okay? If you have a reinstatement fee though, I can't waive that. That's $45, okay? That's the only thing I can't do, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck to you, okay?
Thank you. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Thank you for your patience this morning. I had a lot of people.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, have a good day. All right.
Okay.
That's it, y'all. Fantastic.